our PE teacher.
Alright, go ahead. Tell me your
Our
name.
name is Rosina Slater, Vice Principal.
And what happened this morning at devotion today?
Okay, well, the children were gathered as normal because we normally have General Assembly on Mondays. And then the teachers, we spoke to them about the issue and tell them how to respond or where to go to for help in case they are experiencing any form of stress. So they were told to go to either the teacher, if the teachers feel like they can't manage, then they'll send them down to the guidance counselor for additional assistance. The police was also here. They addressed them, and the chaplain also prayed for everyone. Then they had a session with the teachers.
And our teacher will be in the afternoon, right?
Yeah, man. Her shift is on the afternoon, so her class teacher and her classmates will be on the afternoon shift.
Did you have a relationship with her?
Oh, no. No, I didn't know her. For this week, we were really on a high because we had just placed fourth at Central Champ, so we were celebrating that. Even in our junior school challenge quest for kids, they won their match, so we were celebrating that. And Thursday before we left, we had reading competition. So we had the children who were celebrating. We had Teachers Day, Read Across Jamaica Day. So they were just celebrating. So to find the week ending and that is the news you get, it was really devastating because everybody was already happy and celebrating. So you didn't want to end the week. And that, funny enough, it was education week. So what a way to end the education week. So basically, that's it. We were just really saddened to hear something like that. That's not what you want to get up to on a Saturday morning.